Understanding bridge maintenance, a guide to English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase, bridge maintenance. This phrase is not only interesting in its literal meaning, but also in its metaphorical uses. So, whether you're a language enthusiast or someone who's just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Bridge maintenance refers to the routine activities, repairs, and inspections carried out to keep bridges safe and functional. This involves checking the physical condition of the bridge, repairing any damages, and ensuring that the bridge remains usable and safe for traffic. The literal interpretation of this phrase is crucial, especially in fields like civil engineering and transportation. In a metaphorical sense, bridge maintenance can represent the effort put into sustaining relationships or connections between people, groups, or entities. Just like a physical bridge, relationships require regular attention and care to remain strong and functional. This metaphor can be applied in personal relationships, business partnerships, or diplomatic ties between countries. The phrase, bridge maintenance, can be used in various contexts. For example, in a news report, the city has allocated a significant budget for bridge maintenance this year. In a metaphorical sense, effective communication is key to bridge maintenance in any relationship. Understanding the different ways this phrase can be used helps in comprehending and engaging in diverse conversations. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of bridge maintenance in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the ideas and concepts they represent. Keep exploring and learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!